Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the Australian dollar overnight was weaker and now looks towards a support at 78.30. Yesterday, Chinese data came out as expected for the CPI at 1.6. However, the September PPI was better than estimated, from 6.3 to 6.9 increase on the year. From the technical point, I do expect to see further weakness. Now we do have the RBA minutes of the October monetary policy meeting today. This could put a little bit of a stir to the downside. Now breaking beneath 78.30 does give my next objective, which is at 77.80 and then lower eventually to 77.20. With the dollar index regaining overnight above 93 and still looking towards the top side of 93.80 to the index, with a base seen at 92.40, I do expect to see further pressure for the euro. Now we do have Mario Draghi speaking tonight in Frankfurt, and he could put a little bit of a stir that could see the euro weaken further. My target is at 117.50 and lower towards 116.80, with any advances an opportunity to sell the market from 118.45 to 118.90. But the dollar yen case come through to the bullish side after the market rebounds firmly from 111.60, with 64 being the low, and now looks towards a resistance of 112.45 to 55. For those that are long, I do encourage to raise your stop loss in case we do get an unexpected decline, but I do view that the market will probably get to a 113 objective before any turnaround, so take profit will be looking around that region. The pound a little bit weaker overnight, but still finding support at 132.30. Tonight we have the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney, who is to give a speech in London. Now he could put a bit of a stir to the market to the hawkish side and could see the pound recover up towards 133 to 134. Gold slipped overnight under the 1,300 mark and now finding support at 1,289 to 91. With the geopolitical risks still heightened, I still expect to see a market rebound and look towards 1,306 to 1,313 as a target. Silver rejects the level of at $17.45 and now looks towards a support of 17.05. Now I did mention yesterday, purely for the fact is with the RSI getting back to the top side of the range, did give me a little bit of concern of a pullback. Now we've got that. I do expect to see the support either from $16.80 or around $17.05 and then see a recovery back to rechallenge the top side. And to wrap up with oil, the market at this present is still looking towards the top side of $53 a barrel and reassess from there. Any pullback should find support on the day at 51.5. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead.